What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz here. Today I'm going to share with you how I made $2. Now, before you go, let me explain what I mean. This is the beginning of something, okay? Something I created a while back. I actually made a video for it. I have a link to it somewhere in this video or in the description box where I showed you how I created a print-on-demand t-shirt, and it's made its first sale today, just on time, just as I predicted, because it's based on a popular TV show. Okay, as you can see on the screen right over here, this is today, the 8th. This is the 8th for me as well, June 8th, right, 2019. You've made a sale, they tell me on my email. Okay, I'm gonna show you the product. I don't care. You know, people have stolen from me before, and I've shut down their accounts on various t-shirt sites. So I don't care. If you try to copy me, I'm gonna shut you down as well. Anyways, so the Handmaiden's Tale, Don't Let the Bastards Grind You Down t-shirt. Okay, so you might have seen me create this t-shirt or something like it recently. Again, the link will be in the description. And it made its first sale today because just recently, maybe beginning of this month, the Handmaiden's Tale came out with season 3 or 4. I think 4, maybe 3. I'm not sure. Anyways, created this t-shirt, made its first sale today, and this is passive income. From here on out, chances are people are gonna come to TeePublic, and TeePublic is a search engine, right? I'm always telling you about these search engines. If you're not checking out my videos, I recommend you watch my videos. All these little sites, like Amazon's not a little site, but like TeePublic, for example, is a search engine. People are looking to get something, looking to learn about something. In this example, they wanted to buy a Handmaiden's t-shirt, and they chose mine, not because I'm the best, because it's what they're looking for, okay? I'm not a graphic designer, okay? Everything I use in this image is public domain. It's free to use, okay? I'll have a link to the resources. Actually, it's a product with a monstrous library of public domain images, the same monstrous library of public domain images that I used to get this image. Okay, I'll have a link to it down below or on this video. Okay, so how did I go about finding this? I actually contacted, well, I don't have the email here. I contacted the support team for TeePublic, and I'm like, hey, do you guys have a keyword tool? You know what they told me? No, they don't have a keyword tool. But they did something that, you know, the next best thing they could do, they gave me a top trending tool, or sorry, top trending list on TeePublic, so I can go around and find out what's trending on TeePublic. I'm gonna give you that tool right now. How about that? Let's do it. TeePublic trending tags. Okay, if you want to look for some trending tags, you go to teepublic.com trending tags, and you can find out all what's trending, what people are actually looking for on TeePublic. Okay, and if you don't know how to do keyword research, okay, or find out what is a low comp category, market, or niche to attack with your content, to go after with your content, I should say, then I'll have a link to a useful resource in this video as well. So I found out, going through these tags, of a popular, very popular TV show that I can create a t-shirt around, right? And as you can see, it's The Handmaiden's Tale, which came out recently with season 3. Now, how do I do this? Very simple. You go to Canva. Now, I've talked about Canva at length throughout my internet marketing gym channel because it's a very useful tool. It's how I create my printables, okay? I used to have to outsource stuff before Canva. Now I can do it on Canva quickly and easily, okay? And I'm no designer, I'm no artist, but Canva turns us all into designers and artists because everything is drag and drop, okay? They have different dimensions, different types of backgrounds, all kinds of different things you can do, and it's all free. They got a paid version, but I don't see the need for it. I haven't gotten it. I don't see why you should. Okay, so what I did was I went to the custom dimensions section and I put in the custom dimensions for TeePublic. A lot of these print-on-demand sites such as TeePublic, Teespring, they have custom dimensions they want your images to be. So I put in the custom dimensions for TeePublic. I forgot what they were, what they are. I know I have them here. I've been looking for them. I've been looking for it here, but I can't seem to find it. As you can see, I have an epic and I have a piece of crap here, right? This is another t-shirt. Unfortunately, I haven't sold any of this t-shirt yet, but that's besides the point. You put in your custom dimensions and you start dragging and dropping images onto this template, right? Very simple stuff. And you use Canva's fonts and text to put out quotes, to put out popular sayings, to make things attractive for your t-shirt, so people will buy it, obviously, right? So again, everything's based on what people are actually looking for, right? It's really important. I don't create products based on what I think is going to be successful. I create products, printables, print-on-demand t-shirts, courses, whatever the case is, based on what people are looking for. Don't make it difficult for yourself, okay? Just give people what they want. It's that simple. Really good stuff. Anyways, once I create my product, oh, very important, very important, forgot to mention. You want to upload to Canva public domain images that no one has the rights for, right? That is free to use, commercially free for anybody to use, right? So this little, in my successful example over here, in the Handmaiden's Tale, I had this little handmaiden. Now she's not from the actual Handmaiden's TV show. She's from a popular piece of art that's gone public domain that I have the rights to use. Again, I have a link to that resource down below somewhere. I uploaded that image onto my Canva, and I created a little t-shirt around that, right? Actually off a very popular quote off of that TV show. Don't let the bastards grind you down. Really important stuff. Now, if you don't know where to get public domain images, I'm going to give you one free resource right here. Go to pixabay.com. Okay, pixabay.com. There's a ton of public domain images. Okay, there are many more public domain sites that actually a product I reviewed is all about, which I have a link to it somewhere in the description. Okay, but you don't have to get it. You can just do it just like this. Use Canva. Use Pixabay, right? But before you do any of that, you want to make sure you do you want to do keyword research. Find out what are some popular tags here and try to create a product around that. Very simple stuff. One important thing, once you download your image off of Canva, you're going to have to remove the background for that image. Okay, to do that, Canva it's part of their paid program that you can remove images off the fly off of Canva. I don't do that, so I don't see why you need to do it. You can do it for free using GIMP. Okay? Download GIMP. It's like the open source version of what's that popular image software that you can edit and stuff. What is it? It escapes me. Anyways, it's the open source version of that. Okay. If not, you can also go to remove background. Let me go to tools right quick. Remove background. You can do that as well. Okay. So before you upload your Canva template t-shirt image onto the whatever t-shirt company you're working with, you want to remove the background. A lot of these, if not all of them, require this, right? Using GIMP or use, I think an easier tool for this is remove background, remove.bg. Just put in your photo and it'll do it automatically. Okay. So I hope you like this video. It's just $2, but this is the beginning, right? This is gonna go on indefinitely. Well, not indefinitely, until the show loses popularity, until people have stopped looking for this, then I won't be making any sales. But until then, I will be making sales, right? And all you gotta do is every day, or not every day, but almost every day, put something out there, put a button out there, be it a print-on-demand t-shirt, be it a printable, be it a maze, be it a puzzle book, whatever it is, put those buttons out there, right? You're gonna be accumulating a whole library of products that people will be searching for and buying, okay? That reminds me, two very important pieces of software came out recently. Within the last 2 months, they both do something really cool. They both create printables for you. One creates mazes, the other one creates a variety of different types of puzzles. I'll have links to those down below as well, because again, I created a whole course called Printly around creating printables and making and selling printables online. Now, this makes it much easier because within the Printly course, I teach you how to make your own printables. This makes it much faster. But then again, I digress, talking too much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want more videos like this, I'll be happy to put them out for you. Any questions you have, drop them down below. I'll make sure to answer them, and I'll talk to you again. This is Ike Paz saying ciao.